We are right outside of 34,119 West 12 Mile Road and 34,115 West 12 Mile Road. And in between both of these office buildings, you have this little two-story parking structure which has an elevator. So let's take a ride on the parking garage elevator. You don't see this too often where they have a parking structure for the office buildings. Appears to be 3 stories. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Nice. It doesn't even work. Wow. Nice. Let's see if we can find it up on the 3rd floor if the doors are open. That's great. And it's not even, doesn't even go up that far, see? Levels are kind of, this level's like halfway in between. Oh my gosh. That button is, look at that. How does that happen? It's an interior parking garage too. Wow, that's bad. Well, that's unfortunate. Let's see if we can see where it is. Looks like it might be on the ground. That's just sad. And it didn't even look like that bad of a parking structure either. It's not in terrible condition, considering it's really only for these office space. Yeah, all right, well, unfortunately